Welcome back to my free course. In this video, we're going to talk about the second network where you can go and promote other people's products and earn commissions online. In my previous video, I spoke about a network called Clickbank, which is one of the most popular network for digital products. And as a beginner, normally people get started with Clickbank. The second network, which is one of the best networks out there, and I have generated multiple 5 figures with this network, is called WarriorPlus. It's one of the best networks out there, and it is completely different from the network that you have seen in my previous video, which is Clickbank. Now it's easy. You just want to go to WarriorPlus.com and you want to go to the free sign up page, and then you just want to enter all your details here and create your free account. Once you have created your free account, then you just want to log into your account and go through the marketplace. So you have different sections down here. You can see here the marketplace, home, top products, categories, alerts, deal of the day. This is for the vendor section, so this doesn't matter. Affiliate, dashboard, offer, stats, transaction sales report, contest, launch calendar. As soon as you log in, what you want to do is, first thing you want to do is you want to go to the WarriorPlus wallet and you want to set up your payment account, because this is how you're going to get paid. They pay you 2 ways: electronic payments, and they can also pay you via PayPal if you are interested in doing that. So you could just set that up. Once you have set that up, so whenever you generate a commission, they have a 30-day money back guarantee. So after the 30-day money back guarantee is passed, you can withdraw your payment. Now once you have logged in, you're going to see the dashboard just like this. So you're going to see the top products that's generating the most sales for today. You could see these products. Then if you go to yesterday, you're going to see different products. Last 7 days, you're going to see these products, and last 30 days, you're going to see these products. Okay, so you could see which products are doing great and good in the current time. So according to today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days. What we want to do is we want to find different products. So this is all different things that you can see down here. We're just going to go to offers, and then you're going to find some different products to promote. Now this network is a bit different to Clickbank. There are a couple of differences between WarriorPlus and Clickbank. The first difference is the payment. With Clickbank, you will get paid automatically every 2 weeks or every 4 weeks. You don't have to request the payment. But with this network, you have to request the payment. So once you have payment, you will see it in your e-wallet account, and you will see what is available and what is pending. And whatever's available, you just request the withdrawal, and after a couple of days that will be processed and that payment will be sent into your account. So you have to request the payment. It doesn't get paid automatically. That's the first difference. The second difference is about the products. With Clickbank, with most of the products, you are automatically approved to promote the product. So you just get your affiliate link, you start driving traffic, and you start making money. With WarriorPlus, you're not approved. You have to request approval. So then it's on the vendor to whether approve you or refuse. So that's the second difference. The third difference is, with WarriorPlus, the front end offer is extremely cheap. So your commission is very, very low. Because with Clickbank products, the front end offer is going to be something like $30, $39, $40, $49. So you earn 50% commission, which ends up in about $20. But with WarriorPlus offer, because the front end offer is like $9, sometimes even $7 or $12, you just make $4. And this is what put people off. But they don't understand that they have so many upsells, and because of the upsells, you end up making like $200, $300, and even $500 in commissions from just one product. So the front end offer starts off very, very low, and because of that you end up earning only $4 if someone just purchased the front end offer and he didn't go for the upsell. And this is what is putting people off, but they don't understand that if you continue to drive traffic, there will be a couple of visitors that will go and purchase all the upsells and you end up making over $500. Another thing you need to understand is that with a low front end offer, the conversion rate from a visitor to a customer is very, very high. That's why you're going to see that your conversion rate with WarriorPlus offers is way better than Clickbank. So if you drove 100 people to a Clickbank offer, you might not make a single sale. But if you drove real quality targeted traffic to a WarriorPlus offer, you will make a couple of sales. Why? Because of the front end offer. The front end offer is very, very low and it's very cheap, affordable. So the person ends up buying the product. That's the benefit, okay? There are a lot of differences between WarriorPlus and Clickbank, and you just have to come up and see what you want to do. I highly recommend, in the beginning, if you're getting started with affiliate marketing as a beginner, you just want to stick to one network in the beginning and then try your best to push it until you succeed. And in my opinion, I believe getting started with WarriorPlus compared to Clickbank because of the high conversion rate. And in a moment, I'm going to explain this when we start looking at the offers. There's one more difference, which beats Clickbank, and that is with WarriorPlus, you can earn 100% commission on some of the products. And that is by purchasing the product and purchasing the reseller rights. This is not possible with Clickbank. With Clickbank, the commission ranges from 50% to 75%. That's it. But with WarriorPlus, if you saw a product that you're promoting and you're making good amount of money and you're getting a lot of conversions, you might want to go and purchase the product and purchase the reseller license, and you will end up earning 90% commission to 100% commission, which means it's just like you're selling your own product. And this is how you can make thousands of dollars in commissions every single month. And this is how I have generated multiple 5 figures promoting WarriorPlus offers. So let's dive into this, and let's dive into the offers and see what we can find. So when I scroll down, I could see here all offers, and then I have different options down here. I could do all requested offers. I could do only the offers that are being approved to promote. All the offers that's pending, denied, okay? So if I just go to approved only, it's going to spill out all those products that I am already approved. So I just have to go here and get the link, get my affiliate link, and start promoting. Now let me just explain a couple of things that you're seeing down here. The release date. This is the release date of the product. So the first thing you need to understand is when it comes to promoting a WarriorPlus offers, you want to see the release date. That is very important. A latest product will convert better compared to an old product, okay? Then you want to see the amount of sales. This is the amount of sales so far it's generated. So this product was released just 5 days ago. It's already generated over 1,000 sales, and the conversion rate is 19%, which is very, very good. Anything above 5%, in my opinion, is good. You want to go for something that has a lot of sales, it's the latest product, and the conversion rate is above 5%, and the refund rate is below 2%. Okay, 2% or lower. That is a great product to promote, and you're going to make a lot of money. Okay, now this refund rate will depend and vary according to the sales. Okay, so for instance, if it's only 1,000 plus sales, then I would just say 2%. But if this goes to 5,000 and then the refund rate goes to like 3% or 5%, in my opinion, that's still okay. Alright, because the 5,000 plus people purchase the product, obviously the more amount of sales this vendor is going to generate, the refund rate is going to go a bit more higher. Okay. Another thing you need to understand is that the refund rate will vary according to the product. Some products are high ticket offers, and I'm going to show that as well. So if it's a high ticket product, you might end up seeing the refund rate a bit higher. Okay, so you need to see what product you're promoting. Most of the products are low ticket offers. So latest product, the amount of sales generated, you want to see this a bit higher because that just means there's money to be made. Conversion rate above 5%, 19% in absolutely great, and the refund rate should be in default conditions. The refund rate should be 2% or lower. Also, you want to see this. This is very important. You can't ignore this. This is the number. So if I just come here, okay, it explains what this means. Okay, so you could just read this at your own pace. You could pause the video and just read this out. Okay, the higher the number, the better, because that just means there's so much money to be made, not just by the sales, by looking at the sales, but even like this. So you can see this number is higher for this product compared to this product here. Okay, compared to this product. Okay, so it's in order. The higher the number, the better, because that just means there's money to be made. So how do you get your affiliate link? You just go here, click on get link, and then you're going to have a couple of options here, which offer, which one you're going to promote. So you could go for the discount, front end offer, VIP, special. I normally just go for the default. Okay, this is going to be your affiliate link, and then you're going to drive traffic. You're going to do the same thing that I spoke about in my previous video, is creating a landing page around this product. Don't worry, in my upcoming videos, I'm going to teach you how to do this within 5 minutes and start driving traffic. So you're going to create a landing page around this product, and then you're going to start driving traffic to build a list. Okay. Let's talk about other products. So let's see other products. So if I just come here and I go all offers, you're going to see that it's going to spill out all these offers for me. As you can see down here, that even though all offers, this number down here is higher for this product that I'm already approved, which means I could make a lot of money if I start promoting this product. All right. Now, if I scroll down, I could see some more products. You can see 500 plus sales, 21% conversion, 0 refund rate. Very great. It's the latest product 2 days ago. So first thing, what you want to do is you want to check out the product. So you just click on the product. Okay. And then you're going to see a couple of options down here. The first thing, you're going to see the vendor's name. Okay. And then if you scroll down, you can see how much commission you're going to get paid from the front end to all the upsells. So the price is $17 to $202, and you're going to get commission from $8.50 to $4.21. Now, why is it $4.21 when the price range is $202? Because sometimes the price range is only for a couple of products. They don't show all the products. But when you go and think, and if you see all the products with all the upsells, and if someone purchases all the upsells, all right, he could end up making $4.21. All right. Offer stats, you could see 500 plus, 21% conversion rate, 4.78 visitor value, which means for every visitor they are driving traffic, they are making $4.78. And then if you scroll down, scroll down here, normally you will see more information about this product, including the JV page, which is the email swipes, etc. Okay, so let's just go to the products and we could see, look at this. Now, if someone purchases everything down here, he will end up making over $400. So you could see the product prices is like this, and this is the amount of commission you're going to get paid. 50% commission on all the products and all the upsells. Okay, you could see here that he is offering, where is it? Okay, reseller. You can see reseller down here, and then couple of PLR license down here, reseller down here. This is what I was talking about. That you could end up making 100% commission with this product. Now, first of all, we're going to look at the offer, which is very, very important. Okay, to see and put ourselves in a newbie shoe and ask ourselves, if I was promoting this product? Would I like this product? So what is this product all about? This product is about an app that turns stunning online pet stores preloaded with done for you pet foods, etc., etc., whatever it is. Okay, it depends, it's all about pets. Okay, pet sites. All right. So if I wanted to promote this product, this is not my type of product I normally promote. So if I wanted to promote this product, I just go to request approval. All right. And then I'm just going to write something like, in my case, I write, I'm a super affiliate and I would like approval. But in your case, if you're a beginner, you can't write that because the vendor checks if you've generated any sales. Okay. So in your case, you're just going to write, hey, I am interested in promoting your product. It would be appreciated if I can get approved for this. That's it. Okay, you just request offer, it's going to go into pending, and within 24 to 48 hours he will either approve you or he will refuse. It's up to him. Okay, and you just don't want to do this for one product. You want to do this in the beginning for 20 to 40 products, because some of the products, in fact more than half of the product, you're just going to get refused as a beginner. So you want something to get started with, so you just want to start off by doing it with 20 to 40 products so you can quickly start promoting different products. High ticket offers, let me show you one of the high ticket offers down here. All right, so if I come here, there you go, this is the high ticket offer. They charge $9.97, 500 plus sales, 1% conversion rate. Obviously that conversion rate is low because it's a high ticket offer. All right, and 3% refund rate, not bad. I've made about a couple of $100 with this offer too. It's a great product in my opinion. Okay, it's all about social media, how to use social media to promote different products online, and how to generate affiliate commissions, low ticket, high ticket commissions using social media, especially TikTok. So it's one of the great products out there. If you really want to look into this product, I will have the link for this product. Okay, you can check it out. So it's one of the great products. Now, another way to actually verify which product you want to promote is, once you start getting approved and you start promoting different products, you could go to your affiliate stats and see which one's been doing good for you. Okay, so I'm gonna go here all time. Okay, and it's gonna spill out the product that's been converting very, very good for me. Okay, as you can see here, look at this, I have already generated $58,633.70. So in other words, what I'm saying is, I'm not just doing talk the talk, I'm doing walk the walk here. I'm not just teaching you theory, I'm teaching you what I know. Okay, let's just scroll down and you can see this more product has done very, very good for me. It's on the top list. Hops 39,000, sales 769, conversion rate is 2%. But I have done even better with some other products. So you could see here, this product has done even better for me, 5% conversion rate. Okay, and I've got another product that I've done even better. Check this out, 8% conversion rate. Look at this, over 1,460 visitors and 8% conversion rate. So you can come into your stats once you have a lot of data, because you have promoted so many products and you have generated so many sales. You could come into your stats, check which offers done better for you by driving less amount of traffic and the conversion is extremely high with low refund rate. Then you can just choose that product and keep on pushing it to get to multiple 5 figures. So I hope you love this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about another affiliate network, which is the alternative to Clickbank. Just in case you didn't get accepted for Clickbank, your country is not listed, you can go to this network, which I'm going to talk in the next video, and start promoting top products.